When an AC goes out in the middle of an Austin summer, it can turn into a real headache, expensive repairs, frustrated residents, and a lot of stress. But in this case, RPM LoneStar turned an AC emergency into $800 in savings and peace of mind. One of our Austin residents called. Their outdoor AC unit had failed on a brutal summer day. We immediately sent one of our trusted HVAC vendors, who found the condenser was shot and quoted $3,200 for a full replacement. The owner was concerned about the cost and decided to get a second opinion. Later that afternoon, she called me back, and what she told me was surprising. Hi Carmen, this is Emma with RPM LoneStar here in Austin. Quick heads up, the residents called this morning. Their AC's completely out.
Of course. On this kind of day?
Exactly, it's already heating up. We dispatched our preferred HVAC vendor right away. He was there in under 2 hours.
Okay, that's fast. What did he say?
The outdoor unit's over 8 years old, it's completely shot and can't be repaired. He quoted $3,200 to replace it and can install it tomorrow.
$3,200? I don't know, Emma. That feels high. I've got a guy. Let me call him.
That's fine, just keep us posted. The residents are really uncomfortable, so the sooner we move, the better.
I know. I'll have my guy go by this afternoon, and I'll let you know.
Hey Carmen, I saw your name pop up. What's the verdict?
Go ahead with your vendor.
Of course, may I ask, just out of curiosity, what did your vendor quote you?
$4,000?
Seriously?
Yep, for exactly the same replacement.
That's exactly why we use vendors we've vetted for years. We already know who gives us the best pricing and prioritizes our clients with faster service.
Yeah, I get it now. I waited all day and it ended up costing more. I should have just gone with your guy right away.
No worries, we've got it scheduled for tomorrow. The residents will be cool and happy by evening.
Thanks, Emma. I really appreciate you staying on top of this.
Of course, Carmen. That's what we're here for, saving you money, time, and stress, while protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. At RPM LoneStar, we don't just pick the fastest or cheapest vendor. We partner with trusted professionals who deliver great service at fair prices and who treat our clients like a priority. In this case, we saved the owner time, money, and stress while keeping the residents comfortable and happy. Want to know what your Austin home could rent for in today's market? Scan the QR code to get your free rental analysis today.